enjoying life with a DusterHouse. So, yes, they don't like it. This, they don't like it. And in general, they don't like it. This is freedom. Freedom is not good. This is time for me, my health, my mental health, my body, my time on earth. If I'm not doing it now, when I'm hungry, let's cook something. Look the advantage of this DusterHouse Covert Overlanding setup. With it, I can easily carry good water. Every time I need water, it feels like home. Imagine that. We put water in. And today we boil pasta. Every 3 or 4 days I'm making pasta, and usually what I'm recording with you is me making pasta. If you see the repetition, is because this is what happens. This is the cycle. Perfect. Water in. Now we place this on the stove. We make sure it is balanced. I don't wanna have a pan dropping on the table. And here we have it. Now we'll boil. This was here for the spectacle, so about time to take it back to the car. It has this here to allow water to drop through here easily. We close it, the hole, and now that the spectacle is done, it was just for the show. We take it back to the car. I never do this because even if I stay a lot in a place like now, today I'm here with the DusterHouse. I have a blanket. It's from Thermarest. Very good, affordable and performant. Hence, of course, I bought it. I have 2 from them. I was pleased by the first one, and then bought this one. It's thicker. It helps me during the nights now here in the mountain. I'm somewhere close to the top of a mountain. It is cold. Even now with the sun splashing, it's not like in the city. If in the city you have 34, 36, 39, in here we have up to 29, I will say the maximum. And then if the wind blows, it goes here. You know this because I've showed it to you many times. This is its place. Okay, it is in. That's that. In here, it is a 10 degrees difference, plus minus. There is where we sit in terms of temperature differences between where I am and the usual city. I was saying, even if I stay like now, I will stay the whole day, the whole night, and probably the whole day tomorrow as well, and the night after, I will see. But there is no reason for me to go away from here. The fridge has enough battery power to power itself. That one was 100% last night. I will check to see. I presume it is somewhere around 85. I was saying, even if I stay like now, don't move at all, I keep my footprint to the minimum. Yes, I'm cooking now. I took the tripod out to record, but then I take them back. The DusterHouse is always ready to be deployed. By deployed, I mean, in this case, to drive away. And then nobody should see me here. I keep the tent on because I edited 2 videos, so I was a good boy. Then to dry it up. It's not necessarily wet, but it is a good opportunity to keep it open. I will lift everything up, open all the vents to make sure it is properly ventilated during the day and everything dries up. I will lift a bit the mattress to make sure underneath I don't have any humidity. A bit of maintenance. This is a good opportunity. I only have a traffic. Nobody will come to ever bother me. I can probably stay even months if I don't have a footprint, which is trash around me. Oh, this is boiling. Yes, it is boiling. Let's put the pasta and nothing. Maybe I'll put the pasta with you on. Let's see if I can do it with you. One hand. I have to make sure it's not too much pasta. Last time I couldn't eat everything I made, and also to make sure I have enough for the next round. That's okay, I don't need more. Well, if I would be hungry and need more, I will eat something else or make more pasta. But that time I will not record it with you. I showed this to you. It is the go-to always, spoon, because it doesn't damage the pan. Pasta is not enough. I was saying, as long as you don't create a footprint for people to see that you're staying here, as I'm doing now. This is a huge footprint, first. Second, if you leave trash around, again, huge footprint. But the moment I complete making the pasta and then I put that back into the tent, you might not even say that I'm here. Yes, I will have the tent up, but if I close that, it is a car parked, nothing more. And it is what I usually try to do, even if I stay like now still. It is good to have a tent up, because if I feel sleepy and would like to sleep a bit, guess what I will do? I will nap. I will jump into the tent. I bought from Decathlon. Decathlon, powerhouse. Good prices for the right things. I don't believe I will buy everything from Decathlon, but some things you have to just buy from there, because it's not worth to buy from anywhere else. Maybe I have a bit of wind and the flame is not focusing. Also I see a bit of, oh, thank you. No, this dropped here. Oh, okay. Come on, it's not boiling. I was expecting this. I have a lid. Let's bring the lid, but I need 2 hands. Let me finish this first. What was I saying? I have from Decathlon, like this for you to see me, to have a sun behind. I have from Decathlon a picnic tarp. I just bought it because I felt the need of that. What I can do is, instead of napping there where it is hot, no matter what, it gets hot no matter what you do. If you don't have shadow, it gets hot. I can go there. Look how much shadow I have. I put the picnic tarp and I lay down on it and nap, which is what I will do between editing videos for sure. I will feel the need to nap. Now, watching them and waiting for them to pass because it was loud, I've seen everybody looking at it and at me. Of course, it's strange. People usually don't do this, what I'm doing. Not to say here in Italy, where we are at money caching cow activation phase. During summertime, everyone charges you for everything. You breathe in Italy, you have to pay. You come to Italy, you have to pay. You stay in Italy, you have to pay. You park in Italy, you have to pay. Whatever you want to do in Italy, you have to pay. It's the cow money caching machine activated. And to see me like this, when they cash money from everything, they don't like it. I'm confident I took speed traps. I will take fines from speed traps, because it is how the system is built here. There is no escape for you here in Italy. You have to pay one way or another. It is why their economy and the culture is built this way. If you go on roads like this, you'll have so many speed traps with limits of 30, 40 or 50. It is impossible to not be fined by 2-3 kilometers over the limit. It is impossible not to get there, because it might be something, a descent, and the car goes suddenly spikes from 50 to 60. It happens. With the DusterHouse, this is a mad machine. This goes fast. People say small engine is not good. It's built of whatever, it's plastic, bad quality. Not true. This is a very good car. Many times it just goes. It has a very efficient downhill regenerative engine brake. It is very good, but still it goes fast. And sometimes I wake up, oh, I'm 56, 57, and I'm supposedly, and I should not be. They tolerate, what, 5 kilometers? I don't know how that one is calculated, but when you are 56, 57, you definitely get the fine. And it happens. Out of, what did I got now? 2 weeks in Italy? Yes, 2 weeks in Italy. I encountered at least 60 speed traps. I will estimate 60. 60 is a lot. It's impossible out of a 60 not to get 1, 2 or 3 of them. It's impossible. Maybe it's more than 60. So, yes, they don't like it. They don't like it. And in general, they don't like it. This is freedom. Freedom is not good. Financial freedom, such thing doesn't exist. You either are like me and sleep like this, which of course I'm complaining, not married at 46, no kids. When I was young, poor, struggling for survival, When I worked a lot, thinking I will make some money, build a home, take care of a family. It didn't happen because I was too busy and I didn't have the money, no? And now to afford actually living life, and still I'm hoping to meet someone and build a family, I had to give up on work. So yes, no matter what you do, it is wrong up to the end. It's not the city rush, it's not me running after the tube, waking up at 5 o'clock to be at 7 in the office. I'm not working for a big company or big corporation to brag about how big I am. I'm incognito. Nobody knows about me. The system doesn't want me like this. They want me there, working hard. I'm a very good value provider for the system. Very good. When I put my hands on what I know how to do best, they make millions. But this is time for me, my health, my mental health, my body, my time on earth. If I'm not doing it now, when? It's already late. It is already late. Family, already late. I still want to do that. If not now, when? Enjoying life with a DusterHouse.